So in this video, I'm gonna show you the copy layer symbology in ArcGIS Pro. So the copy layer symbology is useful in ArcGIS Pro workflow for copying the symbology and the visual appearance of one layer to another layer. So it allows you to maintain a consistent cartographic style across multiple datasets without manually configuring the symbology again. So for example, here we have two different layers in the content sections. So the first layer is a subset of this layer called Lancet 8 Image 2021. So you can able to see. So this layer is a subset of Lancet 8 Image 2021. So in this layer, I want to apply the symbology of the Lancer 8 image 2021 symbology. For example, the class's name and the colors to match this symbology, to match this layer. So how to do that? So we're going to copy the layer symbology of Lancer 8 image to this layer called ROI raster clip. So how to do that? So first, we're going to navigate to this option called view section here, and in that navigate to this option called geoprocessing. So click this option called geoprocessing. So once you click that, we have this the window called geoprocessing, and the search section, make sure that you enter as apply symbology from layer. So I'm going to enter as apply symbology from layer, and click the first result called apply symbology from layer data management tool. And this particular tool is kind of very useful. For example, if I want to copy the symbology of this particular layer back to this layer, manually it's going to take a lot of time here. For example, I have to change all the colors and I have to re-enter the names. So using this particular tool, it automatically copy the symbology of this layer to our subset layer. So to do that, the first we're going to navigate to this option and take a look at this the description about this tool, the apply symbology from layer. So it applies a symbology from a specified layer or a layer file to the input. It can be applied to a feature, raster, network analysis, and geostatistical layers. So in the input layer, first you're going to select the Landsat 8 image 2021 and the symbology layer. So also I can go through the details about this input layer. So the layer to which the symbology will be applied. So it states the layer to which the symbology will be applied. So I'm going to select the subset layer, which is ROI raster clip.tiff. And the symbology layer is going to be so you can go through the symbology layer to here. For example, let me click this option. I'm going to place my cursor over this. So the layer containing symbology that will be applied to the input layer. So you can able to see the layer containing symbology that will be applied to the input layer. So here I'm going to select the Landsat 8 image 2021. And the next is we have this option called symbology fields. So you can go through this symbology fields. So it states the field from input layer that matches the symbology field used in the symbology layer. So it contains three different fields. One is field type and source field and target field. So for example, the field type here, I'm going to select, it's going to be the value field. So what does the value field represent? So for example, I'm going to click this. So here you can able to see the value field, the primary field used to symbolize the values. So here I'm going to navigate the layer here. I'm going to right click this option called attribute table, the ROI raster. And similarly, I'm going to right click and click this option called attribute table for Landsat 8 image 2021. So here both the case you can able to see the value which remains similar, which is the value field here. The similar each numbers which represents a different land use land cover class. So here it also represents a similar thing here. You can able to see. So this is similar for this particular field is similar for both ROI raster clip as well as Landsat 8 image 2021. So I'm going to select that particular as my field here, the source field. I'm going to select the value field, and the target field I'm going to select the value field, and I'm going to close this attribute table and update symbology range by data. So here we have three different options here. One is default, update range, and maintain range. So here what we're going to do is we're going to maintain range. Symbology range will not be updated, they will be maintained. So this is perfect for our in our case. So I'm gonna navigate to this option and I'm gonna select maintain range. And once you select it, I'm gonna run this code. I'm gonna run this tool here. And now the tool has run. We have a result. The subset layer symbology also been matched to our original layer symbology, which is Landsat 8 image 2021. So we're gonna turn this off. Let me turn this off. And now you can able to see we managed to copy the layer symbology from our original layer to our subset layer, which is ROI raster clip.diff, using apply symbology from layer tool in ArcGIS Pro. So in this video, I have shown you how to copy the layer symbology in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel and give us a like.